Hi, I wanted to give a shout out for Lauren and the workshops that she does. I love that she does a 30-minute sync beforehand. That gives us all a chance to, talk through our issues. And then what Lauren does is she finds the commonalities and aggregates them. And when we have the workshop, we can work through all those issues together. It's super powerful. Also, like leading up to the workshop, we all have issues and you can have some anxiety, but once you show up at the workshop, it's just an amazing group of women supporting each other. I just so appreciate it. And during, after we get done with the meditation, you get to meet all these cool people. And I felt like I walked away knowing that I could support others and that if I ever needed anything, they could support me as well. Lauren's so good about gathering just a beautiful, wonderful group of women.